Sets class. This is a homework problem 8.2 homework set, and we are trying to find a test statistic, do a hypothesis test. So to do this with a TI calculator, I'll show the TI and then with StatCrunch. So you're going to press Stat, come over to Test, and because this is a proportion test, so you can see proportion there, test here, this is a 1 prop z test. Okay, 1 proportion z test. So we hit Enter. It asks what's the claim. This P0 is the claim, so this is the claim. So 0.25, and then X. So 530 P's is our sample size. 113 of them have yellow plots, so 113, and our sample size was 530. Right, and then it says, alright, it doesn't tell us to go above or below for this part, so I'm just going to click the not equals, and there's our test statistic, 1.95, 1.96 roughly. Notice too that if I would have done greater than or less than, alright, then come down to calculate, I would have gotten that same test statistic. So that is the test statistic, that top line there. So the test statistic says around to 2 decimal places is negative 1.96 roughly. Alright, now let's do it with StatCrunch. Okay, I got a different problem. Same problem type, different numbers. So let's go to StatCrunch. Alright, and then for this I need to do stat. This is proportion stats. Okay, again, it's because of a proportion up here. And then one sample with summary. Alright, so the number of successes is 82. The number of observations is 430. Alright, the hypothesis test, the claim, we want P, the proportion, to be 0.25. Alright, and then again, our alternate hypothesis, that's the same thing that the calculator gave us, the not equal to, the greater than, or less than. If all you want is the test statistic, it doesn't matter which one you pick. Alright, and then compute. Alright, and then there is our test statistic, negative 0.284. Or 2.84, sorry. Alright, so that's StatCrunch's version. The calculator version, again, stat, and underneath the test menu. 1 prop z test for this prop or proportion, and then test because we're doing a test statistic.